BEA family, what's happening? Today I'm going to show y'all how to replace your cabin air filter in your Subaru Crosstrek. Alright, this is the model I'm using, CP157. It was $9.99 on Amazon. I have not replaced this cabin air filter for several years. I got this Subaru 2021. Let's do it. Here you simply just have to unlock this clip here from the peg. You are simply going to pinch the edges here and see that it detaches from the sides and the bottom. All right, once you have the compartment detached, there's two clips here at the bottom. You're simply going to pick at until this comes out. And then the air filter is at this very top here. Now, I'm going to warn you, it is going to be dirty because I have not changed it for probably 3 years, if not more. All right, there you have it. Time to put the new one in. All right, here is the new one. I'm going to make sure that the airflow sign is pointing downward, and that's what's going to be inserted on the left side. So I'm simply going to make sure that it's in the right groove up top. Place it in there nice and snug. I go back to reapplying the plastic clip so that way it can be secure, and I make sure that the arrows here that say up are, of course, pointing upward, like so. After that, I'm going to reapply the actual glove compartment here. Find the two clips at the bottom. Clipped in. All right, once the bottom is secure, I'm going to find this clip from the side here once again and attach it to the peg, and it is as simple as that, boys and girls. I hope this video helped someone in need. If you enjoyed it, please like, comment, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for future videos. Peace out, y'all. Be well. All right, the bottom. He wasn't ready.